Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to make a delicious aperitivo cocktail, the Garibaldi. Hi guys, so today I wanted to make a cocktail that you can have as an aperitivo, which is a cocktail that you would drink before a meal. An aperitivo normally, or an aperitif, depending on where you're from. The main reason that we'll drink an aperitivo cocktail is it's normally drank before a meal, and what it does is, by having something that's bitter in that drink, it actually just starts getting your digestive juices flowing and it makes you want to eat. Now this drink has been around for a really long time, but it was resurrected by Naren Young at Dante, which won the best cocktail bar in the world recently. Congratulations, Naren. And I think it was used at their relaunch in 2015 as their welcoming drink. So the drink is served up in a highball glass with ice. And it calls for 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of a red bitter liqueur. I like to use Campari. Now the original recipe doesn't call for any sugar syrup, but I like about just 2.5 mils. Just add just a touch of sweetness to balance out the bitterness from the Campari. Then 60 mils of fresh orange juice. Now the remaining ingredient, once again, is another 60 mils of fresh orange juice. But what I like to do with this is I like to blend it up because I want that orange juice to be really nice and fluffy on the top of the drink. It's very important though that you use orange juice that you've freshly squeezed but then put into the refrigerator, because you don't want to have it at warm temperature and make the top of that drink nice, kind of warm. It won't taste too great. I'm not adding any ice to the blender or anything like that. I just really want to fluff it up. As you can see, it doesn't take very long. And I'm just going to layer that on the top of the drink. And for my garnish, I'm just going to do a orange wedge on top, if it wants to sit there for me. A little bit difficult. There you go, that's the Garibaldi. It was actually named after a famous revolutionary general that liberated Italy. Now it looks great, but I think to drink it, I'm going to give it just a little touch of a stir. I normally will send this out to the customer looking like that, but I want to actually blend up, really get that little bit of that Campari up. Now, I'm not actually stirring it too much. I'm just bringing the Campari up just a little bit, but I still want to maintain that nice fluffy orange juice on top. Give it a try. It's so well balanced. It's really delicious. The bitterness goes well with the sweetness of the orange juice. That sugar syrup did make a little bit of a difference. Now that will depend on the type of oranges. A lot of times oranges will taste different as you juice them. I could just about have that with my breakfast every morning as well. It's another one of those breakfast drinks. Really, really great drink. Yum, I'm going to drink the whole lot of that. So guys, please like, subscribe. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.